I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market. Today in soybeans, they finally rebounded. The tariff wars have really settled down somewhat, and now it gave the market some opening to start to get back to the technical business of rallying. We really have all bullish fundamental news, and we expect that the market's going to start to swing back into where it was before this tariff talks began. If you take a look last night on the Dalian exchange in China, that the soybeans were also higher, so that's really bringing everything up. The U.S. dollar index is a little bit easier today too. That also adds to strength for the soybeans and even for the corn. The corn was higher. It seems that the futures are finally finding their footing a little bit. The demand shows that there's a steady improvement in the corn basis up to 2.5 cents. That really really has got the market on the hustle somewhat, and the funds are still very long here, and so as soon as we can get everything a little bit more calmed down, it seems that the market is moving a little bit higher as we get closer to the April crop report. And remember, on this net crop report coming up, that it's going to have the U.S. stocks as well as the world stocks, and so those are going to be very important to see where we place in the mix all the way around the world. Wheat today was soaring, and I think that certainly there has been overflow buying into the corn and soybeans because of the soaring wheat futures. They really jumped up on weather in the plains, and they expect that now that this freezing temperatures are threatening the winter wheat. Not like we've had this hot and dry temperatures for the last 2 months, but finally somebody has let the bulls out, and they've let them loose, and the market really rallied up double digits, really strong. There has been a little bit of selling and some profit taking for today, but now that we have a real breakout in the wheat market, and if that thing starts to really get rolling, I could see them taking the rest of the crops with them. So we're going to watch that closely. We expect a lot of volatility still going forward. So we're moving into we're a big weather market right now, so there's a lot going to be happening over the next couple of weeks. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.